Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio with the Bedwars plugin installed and loading a custom match template. You assign spawns, beds, and team colors now so object ID won't conflict later. Once done, import your prepared asset ID for maps and item models. This saves time and prevents broken references. Make sure to enable filtering and test permissions for all assets so replication and ownership behave correctly when players join. Now you configure the core game logic by editing the match scripts and tables that control waves, shop entries, and respawn timers. You connect item and weapon asset ID to the shop catalog so purchases spawn correctly, otherwise items won't appear. Then you adjust bed break behavior, spectator flow, and win conditions to match your desired mode. While scripting, test a single rule, change locally to confirm replication and fix errors before full team testing, because small mistakes ripple into gameplay. Finish by running consistent multi-client playtests to catch desyncs, missing assets, or balance issues. You want both logic and feel to be solid. Then polish by optimizing scripts, replace heavy loops, throttle events, and simplify oversized models to improve performance. Once satisfied, publish and monitor live. If something breaks, check the output and server logs for errors and confirm asset permissions first. Resolving a denied asset or wrong ID usually fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.